Hmm? So, good afternoon to all. Myself, Dheeraj Kumar Mishra, Chief Academic and Business Head, Akash Institute. And it's a privileged moment for me to announce the result of JEE Main Session 1 of Akashians. And in JEE Main Session 1, Akash has again topped the performance, and we are having four state toppers with us pan India from Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Diu and Daman, where our students have topped the state performance. Not only this, we are having nearly 14 students who have secured 99.99 percentile and above. There are 109 students who have secured 99.9, and nearly 1050 plus students have secured 99 percentile above pan India in this session 1 result. Our Bangalore students has also again topped the performance in JEE main session 1. We are having one student with the name Adarsh Kumar Behra, who has secured 99.99 percentile and have topped our performance here. We are having another student with the name Ayush S. Kolkar, who has secured 99.98 percentile, and there are nearly 29 students who have secured performance of 99 percentile and above. Nearly 400 plus students from Bangalore have qualified for this prestigious JEE advanced examination also. I congratulate all the students who have appeared in the exam and came out with the flying colors. I also wish all the best for their upcoming board examinations. And as an organization, we always stand with the students in form of quality study material, testing, technology, and the best ecosystem where they all can come, perform, and achieve the excellence. I also want to congratulate my complete academic team of Akash for giving such wonderful result in JEE Main Session 1. Thank you.